What up, guys? Masked Ninja here, coming at you live and loud. Today we're going to be talking about Power Rangers in space. A quick look at the Power Rangers Lightning Collection team. We're actually going to go ahead and break it down. I'm going to do an unboxing on the Civil Deluxe Edition. Then follow up with the 6 main Rangers. You might think of a little bit of Psycho, but honestly, I've already talked about the Psycho Rangers on this channel. You're welcome to check out the review. And that Megazord factor, honestly, just gives a little extra spice. So with that said, kick back, relax, enjoy me rambling for a little while. And honestly, if you have any comments down below, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, do all that fun YouTube stuff. Really helps out the channel, guys. And if there's something you would like me to talk about, be my guest. Now with that said, it's Theme Song. Alright guys, let's start with an unboxing, shall we? I mean, we're going to basically, the Civil Ranger did come in 2 different varieties. We had a Walgreens exclusive single cart, and we had the deluxe figure. What we have in front of you today is the deluxe figure. Beautiful packaging on the back, what it comes with, side, door side. And let's go ahead and open this guy up, shall we?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rangers in space! Controls to outer space now, flying higher than ever before. Rangers in space! Go! Power Rangers! Go! Power Rangers! Go! Power Rangers! Go! Go! Power Rangers! Go! Power Rangers! Go! Power Rangers! In space!
Alright, so parts of the bike, kickstand. Let's go ahead and keep going. A beautiful Zane Civil Ranger. Comes with his blade extended and his blade in blaster mode. Beautiful. He does not come with a sidearm. Hello, handlebars. I was wondering where you were. Do you plug in? Yes, you do. Beautiful head sculpt. He is pinless. No more packaging. So one quaddy hand. Yeah, that's it. At least he has all his weapons. No lightning effect. So honestly, not a bad figure to start us off with our retrospective. Head pops off, civilian head. Looks nice. Very nice on the civilian head. Let's go ahead and put his helmet back on. So yeah, sits very nicely on his bike. Bike looks very nice. This is like our third or fourth bike we got. So very nice figure, very nice, complimentary. Joints are very tight. Tight, 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 tight. Ooh. Really got a lot of play in the hips. Well, I guess that's the reason why he's a pinless figure. That's what sucks. Sucks because the other ones, they got pins. Joy. Oh, so fun. Let's go. Honestly, he's not a bad figure. Let's go ahead and actually bring out the whole team and actually get this retrospective going proper, shall we? So beautiful Silver Angel. Let's go ahead and compare him to, well, his evil counterpart, Psycho Silver. Granted that they're actually the same character, same guy. Surprise. Now let's go ahead and bring in the entire space team. So with the entire space team together, they look fantastic, I would have to say. The beautiful set. Honestly, the entire team complements each other. So let's go ahead and get started on this retrospective on the whole team, shall we? Since we have everybody out here. I mean, the coloring on each figure looks really nice. My personal challenge, I would have to say, was blue. His head quest was always I had to go through like 2 different Blue Rangers to find the one that had a decent head quest. But honestly, having the whole team together, they look great. The Yellow Ranger does have a different paint on her neck to stick out for more. Has more of a gold, has a gold color to the neck. But honestly, I'm not bad. All 5 original team members carries the blaster. They all have the signature weapons. They're a fantastic set. And this line we ended up getting not one Astronema, but 2 Astromenas. Honestly, it's nice to have two different varieties of Astronema. They look fantastic. Honestly, I wish they did get us the short hair red one, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. You know, if Hasbro decided like release an accessory pack, woo, of different accessories that we would rather have instead of just buying the same figure over and over and over again. Like for example, these 2 were packaged together, and this one was packaged with good old. Those 2 Astromenas was packed with Ecliptor. Ecliptor is an awesome figure. I mean, honestly, they released him twice. They released him, this one in a 2-pack with Astronema, and a single red one. Personally, I passed on the red one because honestly, I didn't see the point getting the red one. Granted, the red one did destroy the
Delta Megazord going down. Happening. No way! He destroyed the Delta Megazord.
And also we also had an Andros standalone pack featuring his first appearance on the series. You know, honestly, I don't think I want to unbox this guy. I like how it looks in the package, so sorry guys.
Now I'm really mad. You restless intruder. This can't be!
So, but if you do want me to unbox that one, just type, hey, unbox that one. If I get like 5 requests, I'll probably do it. Why? Because, why not? So honestly, the team looks fantastic. And honestly, like I said, they definitely had villain support in this, on the In Space team. We also got the Psycho Angels. Honestly, I've already did an unboxing on these guys on the channel earlier this couple years ago. So if you want my opinion on the Psycho Angels, check that video out. I'll probably leave a link in the comments down below. As well as they did mark Phantom Angel as a Space Ranger. Power Rangers in Space figure. So basically, this Hasbro definitely loved In Space. Cause we even got this big beautiful thing. The Zap Astro Megazord. Did a full review on this guy too. He's pretty. So with that said, guys, go ahead, pull it back, and next time my final thoughts, shall we? Alright, guys, so honestly, my final thoughts on the Lightning Collection In Space set. Honestly, it's a beautiful team. Many great options with the Lightning Collection In Space team. And honestly, out of this line, we ended up getting 2 complete teams, plus some extra variety characters, a villain, a support villain. I mean, honestly, Hasbro, you went all out on this line, the set, and it's beautiful. Like, it is a beautiful set. Cheap up on the weapons. Each Ranger got a blaster and their signature weapon. Even the Psychos got their signature weapons. It's literally a beautiful set. I mean, honestly, I wish there was like some variety. Maybe, you know, if they give us an accessory pack with a bunch of different accessories, that would have been fantastic. But honestly, just seeing all these figures standing right here, I get a kick out of it. It's an enjoyable feeling. Especially Space was such a good season. Especially after the follow-up with Tobo. How Tobo left us off doomed and depressed, like the Rangers lost. The Tobo Ranger lost, so the In Space Rangers can recoup and get the win. And Zordon's sacrifice in that season is just, ooh, such a good season of Power Rangers. So with that said, this has been the Masked Ninja. Sign up until next time, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye. One question, do you guys know why I put a Mighty Morphin Black Ranger right here? Tell me what episode he showed up in. Peace.